everyone, in this video we are going to see function of function, how to differentiate the equation, then partial differentiation. For the basic, in the description box I have given the link. You check the part 1 video and come and see this one. It will be very useful. Now we'll see the function of function. Okay, so in this video let us start with the Max Superstar. Who is Max Superstar? E power x. Y is equal to e power x. So differentiation of y, dy by dx. E power x differentiation, again e power x. So this is first one. Second one, if I am going to give y is equal to e power 4x. But we know the formula only e power x. E power 4x we don't know the formula. So here we are going to apply the function of function method. So how to apply the function of function method? Instead of e power x, here we have e power 4x. So take that value, let t equal to 4x and differentiate this. So always differentiation left side upon the right side. You mean dt by dx. Differentiation of 4x is 4. X differentiation 1. And the value of dt is 4 into dx. Okay. Now the value of t is 4x. The value of dt is 4 into dx. Then the differentiation of e power 4x. So y is equal to e power. Instead of 4x we are going to substitute the value is t. So now we are going to differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. Because the right side we have e power t. So that's why you have to differentiate with respect to t. That is dy by dt, which is equal to e power t differentiation, again it's e power t. Then now substitute. So actually our answer must be in terms of x, but here we have in terms of t. That's why you rearrange in terms of x. We know the value of t is 4x. Substitute the t value here. Substitute t value and dt value in this equation. So dy by the value of dt is 4 dx and e power, the value of t is 4x. So now we need only the derivative, means dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to the extra value here in the denominator is 4. You bring it to the numerator. So then our answer is e power 4x. So the whole process what we identified, that is e power 4x differentiation e power 4x. Into that 4x differentiation is 4. You have to write it in the product. Okay, you just write it in the front. So this is the pattern. So using this step we are going to see some extra problems. Okay, what is differentiation of e power minus x? We know what is differentiation of e power x, but this is function of function. E power minus x, again you just differentiate dy by dx. First, which is the visible function e power x. Then the inner function will be minus x. So first function you have to differentiate e power x differentiation e power x, but instead of x we have minus x. So e power minus x. Again this minus x differentiation is 1, x differentiation 1, and we have negative symbol, so that's why minus 1. 1 into anything, the same will appear. So minus e power minus x. So this is the differentiation function of function method. Let me have some more example. Here we applied only e power x. Now we have how to apply for sin x, cos x. Yes, the next one, y is equal to sin x, sin 4x, cos 2x. So these are the some example, and one more example I will give you. Y is equal to sin square 2x. Let us discuss. So for sin x we have a direct formula. Sin x differentiation directly we can write cos x. But sin 4x we don't have a direct formula. First you have to think which is the bigger function. So sin x, which is the visible function. Sin x is the visible function. So sin x differentiation, again cos 4x, instead of x we have 4x, cos 4x into this 4x differentiation, x order differentiation 1, this 4 into 1 you will get 4, write it to the front in a product. Okay, so y dy by dx is equal to, these are the things. Dy by dx equal to cos x. In this problem, dy by dx is equal to 4 cos of 4x. Next, y is equal to cos 2x. Again the same thing, dy by dx, which is the main visible function, cos 2x. Cos x differentiation minus sin x. Instead of x we have 2x. So minus sin 2x into the 2x differentiation is 2, write it in the product. So the answer is minus 2 sin 2x. So here is somewhat different. Here I have given sin square x. So which is the most visible function square, that is x power n formula. So here you have to apply x power n formula. So x power n formula nx power n minus 1. So the value of n is equal to 2 here. So dy by dx is equal to 2, x power n formula, 2 sin power 2 minus 1 into 2x. Again this 2x differentiation is true. The answer is 2 into 2, 4 sin 2 minus 1, 1, no need to write, sin 2x. So this is our answer. Okay, this is function of function. Now let us discuss the equation solving method. How to find the derivative of equation. How to differentiate the equation. So I am going to give the first equation, xy equal to c square. So we have, for x we have differentiation is 1. For y we have the differentiation dy by dx. So you have to follow here UV rule. So what is your UV rule? U into v dash plus v into u dash. This is our UV rule. Okay. This is constant. Constant differentiation always 0. Now let us discuss. So the value of u is x and the value of v is y. So first one, u, x, v dash, y differentiation dy by dx. Because this is product rule. X also we have differentiation formula, y also we have differentiation formula. That's why we need to apply the product rule, plus the value of v is y and u dash, x differentiation is 1. The constant differentiation always 0. So always the derivation means you have to give your solution dy by dx is equal to in terms of what? So x dy by dx is equal to the plus y. So it will come minus y. Then dy by dx is equal to, here the value of x is in a multiplication. So now it will be, you will bring it to the denominator. So dy by dx, the value is minus y by x. So this is the equation solving method. We'll see one more example, that is x cube plus 3xy plus y cube equal to 0. Okay, 0. Always 0 differentiation 0. Don't worry about this. Now we'll see the second problem. So x cube differentiation, this is x power n formula, nx power n minus 1 plus 3. So here you have to apply UV rule, that is already we did this. So x into dy by dx plus y into x differentiation is 1 plus y cube, this is x power n. Okay, so x power n formula, nx power n minus 1 into y formula dy by dx equal to 0. Now we want only the dy by dx. So collect the terms dy by dx separately. So we have 3x dy by dx. The another term is 3y square. Am I right? 3y square dy by dx, which is equal to this 3x square. So it will come here negative of 3x square and 3y. So and also this is also negative. So in this left side, take dy by dx out as well as 3 outside. 3 times x plus y times dy by dx. I am taking dy by dx out. Similarly this side I am taking 3 out. So this side also I am taking minus 3 out. So remaining x square plus y, because already we took minus. So 3 getting cancelled. The value of dy by dx, which is equal to minus x square plus y divided by this is y square, right? 3x plus y square divided by x plus y square. So this is our solution. So this is the method how to solve the equation type. Next we'll see the partial fraction. Next we'll see the partial fraction. So partial fraction is defined by function is equal to x comma y. So if partial fraction always denoted by the symbol dou, that is dou f by dou x. So you mean here you are differentiating with respect to x, differentiation with respect to x, and you have to treat y as a constant. You have to treat y as a constant. So similarly this is dou f by dou y. So here the function is y, the constant is x. You have to treat x as a constant, the constant as well as constant only. So if you differentiate with respect to x means y is a constant. If you differentiate with respect to y means x is a constant, just opposite. Okay. Now let us discuss some problem. They will give you function of x comma y is equal to x cube plus 3xy plus y cube. So again I will write the same problem again. So f of x comma y is equal to x cube plus 3xy plus y cube. Okay. So in this problem I am going to differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So what I mean with respect to x means you have to treat y as a constant. Here you have to consider y is a constant. Okay. So dou f by dou x, which is equal to, this is x. So x power n formula, nx power n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1. The value of n is 3. So here you have to consider y as a constant. So y 3. So 3 times y of x differentiation 1. So here you have to treat y as a constant. So y cube, I will add one more term. So y cube also 0 and the 4 differentiation is constant and also 0. So our answer, final answer, dou f by dou x, which is equal to 3x square plus 3y. If you want you can take out 3. So 3 times x square plus y. So this is the solution for dou f by dou x. So similarly we can see dou f by dou y. What I mean, differentiate with respect to y. So you have to consider x as a constant. Correct? X as a constant. So dou f by dou y. So x is constant means directly the answer is 0. Constant differentiation always 0. So you have to consider x as a constant. So I mean 3x times of y. So 3x times of y. Y means you just think like x. What is differentiation of x? 1. The same thing, differentiation of y is 1. Okay, you treat y in terms of x. And here y is a function, y cube differentiation, 3y square and 4 always 0. Then our final solution, 3x plus 3y square, and take 3 out, remaining x plus y square. So this is our solution for dou f by dou y. Actually part 1, part 2 we have completed all the differential part. So this would be very useful for your engineering syllabus throughout your 4 years. Thank you.
If you want this type of video, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you will get notification. Please share to your friends. Bye.